Hello students, so today we will continue self-practice learning. In the last class we have solved till question number 5. Now see today we will continue from question number 6. Now see the question number 6. We have to compare the given integers with the help of the sign of inequality. Which sign? Less than, greater than or equals to. So less than, greater than or equals to. With the help of this sign of inequality we have to compare the integers. So see 6a. First question, 35 and 35. So these both integers are equal, so we use sign of equality. Sign of equality we should use because both the integers are same, 35 and 35, plus 35 plus 35. So this is the absolute value of 35. So when you solve the absolute value of 35, you are going to get the 35 only. So absolute value of 35 is what? 35. So both will be the same. So we can put the sign of inequality. Now see the question number C. In this minus mod of minus 5, minus mod of minus 5 and absolute value of 5. Now see what is the result. So this mod of minus 5 will give the positive value. So what will get the answer? Minus 5. So this will return the positive value, okay? And minus is before. Now here this will give the positive value 5. Now see the minus 5 is less than 5. What negative integer is always less than the positive integer. So minus 5 will be less than 5. So what symbol we have to put here? Less than. Okay. Next you can see the question number E. See the question number E. The question number E, mod of minus 25 mod of minus 25 mod of 25. So what it will become? Mod of minus 25 will give the positive value 25 only. And this also give you the 25 only. See, both are giving the same value. So mod of minus 25 and mod of 25 is same. So both the values are equal, so we use here sign of equality. Now we move to the next question, question number 7. Write the opposite of. Here we have to write the opposite of each number. Question number 7, write the opposite of 45. So we have to write the opposite of. So opposite of mod of 45. So this is the absolute value of 45, so we return the negative positive value only. So opposite of this will be the minus 45. Because it will give you the positive integer plus 45 and the opposite of plus 45 is minus 45. Okay. Now you write the opposite of for C. Question number C. Opposite of minus 25. Now see. This mod of minus 25 gives you the positive and this minus will make that positive negative. So see what you are going to get the value. I am solving it here. So this minus and mod of minus 25 gives you the plus 25. Now see minus plus minus, this will give you the minus 25. Now opposite of minus 25 is what? Plus 25. So what you are going to get? 25. So the opposite of minus of absolute value of minus 25 is plus 25. Now we move to the question number 8. The question number 8, the table shows the average temperature in most of Antarctica from March to October. List the months. So in the month March month, temperature is minus 72 degree Fahrenheit. In the April minus 84, May minus 86, June minus 85, July minus 88, August minus 90, September minus 87, October minus 71. Okay. Coldest to warmest. So which is the coldest and which is the warmest? So that we have to list the month in order. So as you can see here in this, the negative integer, which is the highest value, will be the less temperature. It will be the coldest. So you will find in the month of 84, 88, 90. Yes, in the month of August, the temperature is minus 90. So the August is the coldest. So August will be the coldest. So what we write the order? First we write the August. The question number 8. First we write August. Okay, August is the coldest. After that, 88 is there, that is the July. After that, July. After August, July is there. Now after 88, in the July the temperature is minus 88 degrees Celsius, and after that September minus 77. September, next coldest month is September, and after September the temperature is minus 86 of May. And after May, June minus 85. June. And after June, April minus 84. APR. And after April, March minus 72. No, after April, minus 71. October. And after October, after April, see here. So first of all, August, you can see August is the coldest, minus 90 temperature, coldest one, more lower. After that, July minus 88, August, July, and after July, September minus 87. After minus 87, minus 86 May, and after minus 86, minus 85 June, minus 84 April, and minus 72 March. And then October minus 71, minus 72 March. And then the last, October. So October is the warmest month, and the coldest month is the August. Vostok of Antarctica temperature. Okay, like this we have to do. Now we move to the next question. Question number 9. Use a number line to find each sum. In the question number 9, we have to use the, in question number 9, we have to use the number line, okay, to find the sum. 9a 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. With the help of the number line, we will find the sum. So first of all, we draw a number line. This is plus infinity. This is minus infinity, okay. So we will start from here. 0, minus. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So plus means we have to move on the right direction from the 0 to the right. How much steps? 6 steps. So 1 to 6 steps is here. So from here to here we move to the right side. This is the plus 6. Now again from this point we have to move 2 steps right. So 7, 8. So from here again we have to move 2 steps right. So what the sum represents? 8. So what you got? 6 plus 2 equals to 8. And this we got the sum. See here. How much? 8. When we add these two numbers we got 8. So plus 6 plus 2. So plus 6 plus 2 gives 8. Okay, plus 6 and plus 2 gives 8. So here we have written plus 6 and here we represented plus 2. And both the numbers we add, then we get 8. Okay, like this we have to do. Now see the next question, minus 4, 8 or minus 10. 8 or minus 10, how we do? 8 or minus 10. See, minus 8 plus minus 10. So first we move 8 steps to the right. Where is it? Here. So till here we draw a line. That is the plus 8. Means 8 steps for the right side of the 0. Now from there we have to move left. How many steps? 10 steps. So till here you are getting. See. Till here it is 8. And here it will increase. This is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. So 8, 9, 10. So from, if you move from this direction, till here, 9 and 10. So this is the minus 10. This is minus 10. So see what the sum you got? Minus 2. So when you add 8 plus minus 10, you will get minus 2. The result is, see what you got? Minus 2. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 10. Find each sum again. But here we don't have to use the number line. In question number 10 we don't have to use the number line. A minus 15 plus minus 7. See how you do? Minus 15 plus minus, when you multiply two signs together, so product of unlike signs is negative. Plus minus gives you minus 7. So minus 15 minus 7. So what will be the result? Minus 15 minus 7. Both are negative. So you add it. 15 plus 7, 22. Both the signs are same. So minus 15 minus 7 gives minus 22. So both the signs are same. So we have to add. The same sign is minus put before. Add 15 plus 7, 22. So minus 15 minus 7 gives you minus 22. Next question. F you see 49 plus minus 9. So see what we will get? 39. So plus minus, when you multiply these two signs together, unlike signs, so product of unlike signs will be negative. Plus minus minus 9. So 39 minus 9 gives you 30. So 39 minus 9 gives you 30. Okay. 15 minus mod of minus 50. So what you get 15 minus mod of minus 50 will be 15. Now 50 minus 50 gives you 0. Now see the question number 11. 11. Find its sum. We are going to find the sum. The question is minus 18 plus 29 plus minus 11. See in this question what we have to do. In this question we have to find its sum. So see how we do. First you can add these two numbers. Minus 18 plus 29 both are on opposite signs, so we have to do the subtraction. So this is the positive number. From the positive number you subtract the negative. It is a so 29 minus 18 what it will give. So 9 minus 8 will give you 1. 2 minus 2 will give you 1. So 11. So what you get? 11. So here you got the positive 11 plus 11. Here plus minus 11. So 11 minus 11 gives you 0. So what you find the sum? So you will get the sum 0. Minus 18 plus 29. Minus 18 plus 29 will gives you plus 11 plus minus and 11. Minus 11. 11 minus 11 gives you 0. Okay. So this is all for the today, students. So we will continue in the next class from question number 12. So whatever the questions I have left in the exercise, that is the homework for you. You have to solve all that question in the maths homework topic. In that you solve. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you for your time. Thank you.